Behold a rarely witnessed phenomenon of the desert.
Here we observe the intricate genesis of a desert cactus bloom, slowly unfolding its marvels.
With each passing moment, the vibrant corolla unfurls, revealing the profound spectrum of its hidden hues. This intricate process reveals nature's patient artistry, a living masterpiece unfolding.
Behold, a transient masterpiece of the botanical world.
This vibrant bloom presents a symphony of color, from rich fuchsia to a radiant golden hue.